Hello guys, this is Sparkle Kitty 184 here with ZZ Ray.
Hello.
And we're gonna be playing MTV versus ATV Unleashed. Ignore any background noises you hear. And my screen is the one on the I just ran to the end of the world.
Left.
Is the one on the left, and Zachary's is on the right.
Right. Yes, right.
That's what I said.
Sorry.
And we just do we free ride.
Yeah.
And do ramps. We play tag sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Hide and go seek.
Yeah.
You died.
You die.
Batman.
Hey.
Oh. See ya. Whee!
How you go faster? Come back here.
We got this game for Christmas.
Yes. Yeah.
And we've played on pretty much every outdoor map. It's pretty fun.
We don't like indoor.
Yeah, I like to do the outdoor because you have more places to go
And if you do indoor, you can't switch your vehicle.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, they did it indoor and we could.
You messed something with the settings. I can't get to the water.
It's too deep.
Be quiet, Zachary. Don't contradict. Oh, great. Oh, crap it. Yes, I did it. I did it. I did it. Oh, Lord. Yes, I did it again. Oh. Ooh, barn. And there's little buildings you can go in, but you can't hit people. There'll be people around, but you can't hit them.
No, it's impossible.
You go near them, and they just run away.
Yeah, they're like rats. You can never hit them.
But you can hit the cars.
Yes.
You
Run into them. Like I just did.
Like Zachary just did.
And I hit the end of the world.
Wiggle, 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 go. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Ah, turn.
There's even a first-person camera.
Oh, there's birds on this one.
There is?
Yeah, there's birds. And there's also some wildlife. We saw a deer once. Couldn't hit it either.
Even a fox once? Or
yeah, a coyote. It was a coyote.
Oh.
Turning this way. Now I'm turning this way. Now I'm turning this way. 1, 2.
Oh,
well, that was not as dramatic as I would have liked.
They should have a way you could go through buildings.
Break through the wall?
Yeah.
That'd be cool, just breaking it down the wall and then running through. Like, hello! You'll never catch me!
Because I'm a bird.
And I'm rocking away from you.
Why is there so much
if
tires?
any of you watch Venturian, if any of you watch Venturian, and if you don't, go type in Venturian Tale, VENTURIAN.
Oh.
And then Tale, TALE, bird song. It is hilarious.
I'm a bird.
Shush, Zach. They must hear it for themselves if they do it. It is so funny. I saw that, and I mean, if I had watched the video again, I'd still laugh. That's how funny it is. It's funny.
Yeah.
It's humorous. If you want to use big words.
Humorous.
Humorous. Hey, who is this? Hello? Hello? Who are you? Oh, wait, there's someone. What is this? Hello? Hey, you. No. Hey, stop. Stop.
What the heck
Stop.
happened?
Stop. I said stop. I said stop.
Stop. You should make go. Why are they going down the road?
You also hit the car. Beat that.
They should have it where if you hit them, like the people move around.
What?
What?
Just never mind.
Never mind.
La la la. We could play some tag, Zach, but you know what? I'm it. We're playing tag, and I'm it.
I have no idea where you're at.
I'm it. So
I know.
you don't want to know where I'm at.
I know.
Ooh, I just about whacked my head.
Hi,
Racing is fun.
I'll give you a hint. I'm
that-
by a tree.
Oh, the helpfulness of that sentence is overwhelming, though. You're by a tree. Okay, I'll keep that in mind.
I'm flying. I'm flying. Hi, Paul.
I'm going.
I'm
I'm
going.
going.
Rocket ship. Cars.
Don't hit the car.
I'm telling you where I am. I'm by a car.
Seriously, the helpfulness is terrible.
I
Just
know.
about
It's so good.
So bad.
It's so good.
So bad.
So good.
Bad.
Good.
Bad.
Good.
Bad.
Good. Good.
I'll win this argument, dude.
What? You would
I
win it?
say it, I'll win.
I won't. Where?
I'm hot on his tail.
Bullseye.
Ooh, that hurt. Are you kidding me? I missed him. I just missed him. Put your hands up. This is the police.
Oh, hi. You should be able to see my body. Okay, got this.
I gotta get him.
I want to hit a rock again.
Cause Zach can run away.
Come in, Pie?
Oh, did you see that turning
Oh, God.
skills?
Okay.
I prefer you came in a little bit and let me out.
No.
Good, good. Oh, crap it. Stupid pole. Stupid pole.
Yep, that's what I mean.
No. You gotta get him. Ignore all background noises you may hear during the making of this video.
That was not intentional. Even for what?
Oh,
Whatever you say.
that scared me.
Yeah, it scared me too.
You saw me.
Did I hit you?
No.
Are you lying?
Mm-mm.
I think you're lying.
Oh. Go, Power Rangers.
No.
Go, Power
No.
Rangers.
Stop.
Never. Never.
Did you seriously have to run that car over?
Yeah.
Hit him.
Haha.
Cow.
You're a cow.
No,
Cow.
you're a 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 cow.
Cow.
Hallelujah. What?
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I just flew. I'm gonna die. Knew it.
Where is he? I'm just gonna scream.
I'm not behind you.
Well, yeah, you're not.
Oh God.
What the? What'd you do?
Nothing.
You done something.
No, I did not.
Why is there all these dead bodies everywhere?
What?
Because she was throwing
When was there dead bodies?
Because she was throwing them in there too.
Ouch. There.
Hi, Pie.
What pie?
Yes? I understand.
Why is there so much trucks? Why is this car going off road?
Cause it can.
Come here, truck! Whoa, that was close. Be careful, Pie.
Where are you at, Zach? I see you.
I
No, Pie, you can't come up. I'm afraid I'm gonna hurt you. You know I don't want to hurt your ear.
Ah! Mom, Lexi, whatever your name is, Lexi, you almost hit Pie's ear.
Run. Don't hit him. Don't hit him. No. Sweet Pie.
Pie.
Sweet Pie.
We're in the middle of a video.
Sweet Pie. I'm gonna put your ear. I'm gonna.
Drop it off.
Blah, blah.
Stop it, buddy.
Go up the hill, man. I landed on my head. No animals was harming, making a fish video.
What?
Oh,
There ain't no animals in this video. That don't make sense, man. Get him, get him, get him, get him. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
You
I'm
missed
gonna
me.
win.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No, I didn't.
I survived.
So
A
I
man
did.
and his will to survive. I am a tiger. Oh Lord! Did you guys see that? Yeah, you saw it. That was awesome.
Yeah, my white tires. Oh,
Oh, I almost hit you. I almost hit you. You would have been dead.
But I'm not dead.
You would. Good. Heck of a lot.
Oh. Oh, hi.
Where the what? There he is.
I
We're gaining on him.
love being a runner.
What?
I love being a runner.
You ain't gonna be running for long.
Well, yeah, well. Don't Superman. Ignore that.
Oh, stupid thing. I was about to catch him too.
I believe I can fly.
Go, 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 go.
Go, go, Power Rangers!
I need to make a theme song for me.
Go, 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 go.
Lexi's
go.
house, Sparkle Kitty, 24 rules.
You went past me. No.
Well, no, duh, you're like going around like a little unicorn. Space unicorn,
Flying through the sky.
delivering the rainbows all around the world. What was that?
Oh gosh, it hurt. Do you know that I swam behind you?
I know, Zach.
Oh gosh. Now animals was harmed in the making of this.
Zachary, if you say that one more time.
No, animals was harmed in the making of this video.
Zachary. Where are you?
I went right past you.
There, Sherlock. Oh, no fair.
But how come it's not letting me look up?
I can look behind me.
It's not letting me. Wait. Does it gotta be? Oh, ghost tree. Oops.
Hey,
Wrong
no,
button.
hit me.
Wrong button.
Hit me.
Here.
No, you can't change your car.
I did.
That means that should mean I'm automatically the chaser, but
You're the runner. Wait, you saw me, I think. Here, I'll slow down.
You cannot do that. You did that on purpose.
I accidentally, I meant to look behind me.
Yeah, sure.
You supposed to argue when you're making one of those videos?
What?
You supposed to argue when you're making one of those videos?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause he cheated.
I didn't mean to.
Cheater,
Pumpkin eater.
You're the one cheating.
You're the one cheating.
No.
Get off the road, car.
What the heck?
Oh gosh, that was good.
Oh! Come on. Come on. Come on, Jessica. Come on.
Who's Jessica?
My best friend. Ooh, I can look beside me. Behind me. Woo!
You having fun, Lex?
Yeah, I really am.
Oh crap. The end of the world. I can tell.
How can you tell?
I don't know. I'm magical.
No, you're not. You're not.
Hi,
magical.
Papa.
Where are you? Come here. I wish I had a gun attached to this thing. Putting your intestines on it.
What?
Nothing.
Put your intestine on the ground?
Maybe.
Okay.
Whatever you want to think.
Play cool?
Where'd you go?
I
Wrap it.
pace unicorns. The ball. Oh, that was close.
Ah. Oh, I almost hit you again, but my stupid camera.
My camera's messed up. I cannot even spawn. That's how bad I am.
There you go. Now you're turning, Lexi. What'd you do now?
I didn't crash.
Hey, how did I do that?
I don't know.
What is up with me and driving today?
I
Man.
don't know. I have no idea.
Oh, sweet pie, you're gonna hurt yours.
I'm sad.
I can get him. I can get him.
Pace unicorn. Pine
Ah, I'm alone. I landed there.
Are you did you say you're a log? I thought you used that person.
Ow.
Did you hit a
Maybe.
ow? Backward.
I hit you!
Oh crap.
Yes! Run! Run, Lexi! Run!
Crap. Go.
No.
Go, Power Ranger. There's a map in the corner. I can cheat from my Mac.
No.
Oh, hi, person. Space unicorns, flying to the skies. Dang, you done that on purpose.
No, I didn't.
Did you just go? Where are you? I don't know where you're at.
Oh, crap it. Run.
Go, Power Ranger.
Running for my life.
Running for your life.
Zach, you're
Trying to
not good at
catch
this
you.
game.
Trying to catch you.
You're not good at this. Just look at
Says the one that could have get. Oh, good. He
Yeah,
gets.
man.
He gets. My goodness.
Oh, yeesh.
Hey, stop real quick.
No.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
No.
Virgin name of the law.
No, I'm a rebel.
Get back here, rebel.
Never.
You don't know the force or the dark side.
I am the dark side.
Dun.
Why'd you do that?
Oh no.
You ruined it.
I know.
You ruined it.
I ruined the video.
Video's over. Yep, he ruined it.
Oh, the video's over. It's over.
He ruined it. We're gonna have to delete this. So bad. He had to do that.
Space unicorn.
Stop it. No.
Space
No.
unicorn.
No.
Space
No, Zach. No.
Space.
Zach. No. Did you lose me?
Uh-uh.
Oh, because you looked lost for a second.
I was looking at my map.
Run.
Run.
Hi, Zach.
How come it's not you? Look behind you.
Because it likes me better.
I can't do. Wait, where did you spawn? Don't do that laugh ever again. That's worse than the.
Hello, kids. I'm Mario.
Hello, kids.
No.
Huh?
No.
I hate cold right now.
Ooh, look at this. Ooh.
Oh gosh, that gets obnoxious.
Ooh.
Whoa. Do you know where you're going?
Everybody. No, not really.
Everybody shake.
Look at this. Woo! Everybody. like I'm going round and round the merry-go-round.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Hey, he's back. I hit the rock.
Oh,
You missed me.
I did?
Yeah.
I flew over you, dang it.
I see you.
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 No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah. Argument
Yeah.
over.
Yeah. Okay.
I won. Oh. I'm running for
I saw a motorcycle fly.
What?
I saw a motorcycle fly. Fly. Where in the heck?
You don't even have a motorcycle.
What?
You don't even have a motorcycle.
I saw set grip. When you get far away, I just see like the dirt. Like in real life, I can see like it was a scene range. I see you. I see dirt.
This is probably the end of the world. Is it? Figured that'd be the end.
I wish I could go. I wish there was like planes on this.
There's planes on one.
No, I mean like you could fly.
It's ATV versus MTV.
So?
Not plane TV, okay?
Plane TV. Ooh. Oh, geesh. What happened? Egads.
You failed at crossing a river.
I didn't die though.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't.
Uh-huh.
There's
Then why are you dead?
I'm not dead. I'm not dead. You're dead.
There's a horse!
Horse? Oh God!
Oh. Pause the game so we can admire the horse.
Ow! That hurt. Ow.
It's pretty ugly. Pause.
Okay. Dang it.
You're trying to
See
hit
ya.
it.
You did say unpause. You did say unpause. So.
See, it's pretty much unpaused. It ain't like you catch me anyways.
Says one.
Woohoo! Cause
Woohoo.
I'm a bird.
Mario! Woohoo!
No.
What?
No.
What?
Just stop.
What? Never.
Yeah. Stop.
I hit you.
How'd you hit me?
I
didn't even move.
I moved. Didn't you just break that tree?
Maybe.
See ya, sucker.
No, only I said that. Stop it.
It's been 23 minutes.
Where are you?
I'll never tell you.
Yeah, you will.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you will. I see your
No.
tracks. Follow the tracks. Like I can. Seriously.
Ow!
I see him again. I see him again. Do you always go back here? I mean, seriously, man. Okay, I give up. And we're gonna stop the video here. Sorry, I just moved my thing.
See ya.
Shut up, Zach. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this. Comment what you want to see us do. And just subscribe so we know people's watching. And goodbye. Have a good day.